In this video, I'm going to reveal 4 different ways that you can make $1,000 or more per month with the Amazon affiliate program. And the best part about these 4 different methods is that you can do each one of them for free, and you only have to do one of these methods. So make sure you watch this entire video to find the best method that works for you, and then you can start monetizing Amazon as an affiliate. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna look at 4 different ways that you can make $1,000 per month with Amazon. You don't have to spend any money, so you can get started for free. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into way number 1. The first way that I wanna show you, if we take a look at my phone here, is actually with Amazon Inspire. Now, Amazon Inspire is basically Amazon's version of TikTok or short form vertical videos. Now, I am in Amazon right now. I'm in the Amazon app. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this light bulb. Now, not everybody has access to the light bulb. You will be getting it soon. Okay, I don't know when, but you'll be getting it soon. Now, if we take a look at this, first I want to show you that this isn't even a video. This is a photo, and at the top of the photo, it says earned commission. So if this person, if I were to click on this, say like I want to learn more about this Thanksgiving or holiday placemat, if I were to open this up and purchase it, this person would earn a commission. Now, if we swipe here, you can see there are a bunch of photos and videos. Once again, this person earns a commission. And if I were to click on this, you can see that the product actually pops up. And if I wanted to add it to the cart or see the details, as you can see here, I add it to the cart. I'm not sure what that is, but I add it to the cart, and this person could earn a commission. And the benefit of using this method is that the person is already in the Amazon app. One of the drawbacks to being an affiliate is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Well, Amazon has care of one of the biggest problems by allowing you to basically create TikTok within Amazon. And so once again, you can create content. It doesn't even have to be videos. It could be photos that you find on the internet of different products. You put it together and you could potentially earn commissions. Now, this person, as you can see, is recommending this microphone. Now, if he was smart, he would include the microphone, the camera, as well as the lens and anything else that could potentially help them earn a commission. Now, again, as you can see at the top, it says earns commission. So if we were to click on these products and buy, we can make money. Now, if we look at this, I actually clicked into Brooke's account here, and she has created all sorts of content within Amazon. And again, the beauty is if someone were to purchase products or add them to the cart and then check out, she could potentially earn a commission. But this is such an awesome way. I think everybody should jump on this. Again, this is the advantage that Amazon has over TikTok, because people have to actually leave TikTok to make a purchase. With this Amazon Inspire, they just stay right in the app. Now, I did upload a video a while back that talked about it a little bit. There was a ton of questions. Watch that video because I think it can be really helpful. That is way number 1. Way number 2 is actually with Amazon coupon codes now, or Amazon promo codes. Now, if we take a look at my screen here, you can see that in the back office of Amazon, we have different coupon or promo codes. Now, the way that this works out is if I were to click on this promo code, for example, beauty and grooming, and I add it to the cart, you can see apply 20% code, add it to the cart, and you're going to see, if we go to proceed to checkout, you're going to see that there's a promo code. Now, this is exclusive to only people that are affiliate marketers or affiliates for Amazon. If you look, you can see that code there is a great way to incentivize people to get a discount. And there's a bunch of ways that you can do this. One of the ways that I'm seeing a lot of people do this is actually within TikTok, and they're just creating videos. They're picking a niche. Some people are focusing on women beauty. Some people are focusing on gaming devices. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to go through and find different promo codes, and you're going to create content. Now, there are 2 ways to get people off of TikTok. They're either having them join a free Facebook group where they're posting their promo codes and their discounts, or they're creating link trees. Now, again, I actually created a video about this a few weeks ago, and I think this is an opportunity that everybody should take advantage of. A lot of people are asking, is it saturated? I don't believe in saturation. One thing that you can do to help you overcome what you perceive saturation is to A, pick a niche, B, take a look at holidays. Mother's Day's coming up. People buy stuff for their mother. Graduation, Father's Day. Thanksgiving, Christmas. Think about all of those different opportunities. You create a couple videos every single day, and what a lot of people are doing is they're using TikTok to do it. You can create videos on TikTok. You can create videos on YouTube with different Amazon promo and discount codes, and people will buy. Now, the other cool thing is, let's say you are lazy. Let's say you don't want to go this route. Another thing that you can do is go over to Amazon and you can type in your niche. Maybe we'll say graduation gift ideas, or graduation decoration. Those both will work. You can scroll through and you can look for different coupons. Now, right on the screen here, there's a 30% coupon. So you could actually tell people, hey, look, take advantage of this 30% coupon while it's still available. And with this one, you don't even need to go to the promo code. You simply would once again grab your affiliate link. You can either put it in your Facebook group. You can create a link tree. I don't like link tree, but you could do that. And you can basically just share information. Now, the reason why I like this opportunity is because you're helping people solve a problem. One of the biggest problems is they want to know where to get decorations, or they want to find the best deal on decorations. If you're doing Father's Day, people have a roadblock or like kind of like a mind block, mental hurdle, trying to figure out what they should get for their dad. And so if you're creating 1 or 2 videos every single day with different Father's Day gift ideas, that is helping someone solve a problem. And then, oh, by the way, you can get paid for it. That is number 2. Number 3 is Amazon Influencer. And let me show you exactly what I've been doing. Anytime I buy a product, I do a review. For example, this mirror, this iPhone holder that can be attached to a mirror, I simply create a 2-minute review video. What will happen is, depending on the quality of the video, depending on how long and the competition, the video can actually get posted on the main page of the Amazon product. As you can see, I purchased this April 20th. It has a lot of ratings and it's Amazon's choice. So a lot of people are going to naturally buy this product because, or at least go to this product because it has the Amazon choice sticker. Now, if we click on this video right here, is actually my video. So if we look, that's me, that's my hand. And what will happen is if someone watches 30 seconds or more of my review, I can earn a commission. Again, one of the drawbacks of using YouTube and TikTok is getting people to move from that platform over to Amazon. But again, the benefit of this is that they're already on Amazon, they're already shopping, and you are just taking advantage of the traffic that's already built in. So for example, someone will type in, they'll say like iPhone, they'll type in iPhone holder. I think I typed in mirror like this. Product that I purchased actually showed up right there. So you can see here that it has Amazon's choice sticker. So people are more likely to buy. It has a lot of reviews. They're going to click on it and then they're going to see 6 videos. Okay, they're going to click on the 6 videos. Pause that again, and they see, oh, look, this person has done a review. You can see there are multiple of these on here, and you can make money. It solves a lot of the it takes away a lot of the hard work associated with getting traffic as an affiliate marketer. And that is way number 3. What I recommend that you do is start doing products around the house. For example, I did one on a book that I purchased. I've done one on backpacks and lunch boxes, all sorts of stuff, because you just never know where the commission is going to come in. Oh, and by the way, let's say someone adds this product to the cart and then they have 10 other things added as well. You can earn a commission on all of that stuff. So while it's only quote unquote $14.99, I'd receive probably like a 5% commission on that. But if they added laundry detergent and they added, I don't know, a computer, a TV stand, all sorts of stuff, I could potentially earn a commission on all of that, thus boosting my earnings and boosting my affiliate commissions. But that's number 3. I really like this way. And number 4 is Old Faithful. YouTube. You're on YouTube, you understand the power of YouTube. So if we just go best iPhone holders for car, you can see this result here, 26,000 views from 3 months ago, 6,000 subscribers. So it has lots of views, not so many subscribers. This is a teeny tiny channel. And if we just open this up, I'm 99% sure that they actually have affiliate links directly over to Amazon. But if you click on Pick Advisor, that's the name of the YouTube channel, you click on videos and you can see that that's basically what they're doing. And they're going out and they're doing best X4Y, or they're comparing 2 different products. But anybody can do this. Look at this. Best MTB helmets in 2023. What's the best full face MTB helmets. So what you could do is just do a little bit of keyword research, think of a niche, think of an area that you want to create content, and we could do something like let's do best smart refrigerators 2022, best smartphone microphone. We can click on that, and you can see, once again, there are people that are doing this. Think Media kind of dominates the space, but as a new channel or a new account, you could simply just go out, do a little bit of keyword research, figure out what people are asking, create the content, and then go grab your affiliate links from Amazon and post them right in. Now, I'm sure the question will be, do I have to have the products? I guarantee you that this person hasn't purchased all of the helmets that he's talking about. In fact, this person is just using B-roll of a car phone holder. This isn't even the holders that he's mentioning. He's using B-roll or stock footage of phone holders. You can go over to Storyblocks or Pexels and you can type in iPhone holder or car phone holder, and you can potentially earn a commission. Now, this person is either doing B-roll or stock footage, or they're going over to the marketing website and they're pulling this down right from the marketing website. But if we pause this and we scroll down, you can see all of these are different Amazon affiliate links. Now, again, you just need to pick one of these methods and get started. You may not be successful in your first post. You might not be successful in your 10th post. But what's most important is that you keep uploading. You keep creating content. In order to make $1,000 per month, it's not going to happen on one video. It might not happen on 20 videos, but you have to keep doing it in order to get to $1,000 per month. I speak to so many people that say they tried affiliate marketing and it didn't work for them. When I ask them, what did you do? They say, hey, I created 5 videos. I didn't get any traffic, and then I stopped. That's not how you're going to be successful with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means that you show up consistently and persistent again and again and again. Assume affiliate marketing or any online business venture is like your full-time job. You have to show up every single day on your full-time job in order to get paid. You have to show up every day on your online side hustle, part-time gig in order to get paid in your online business. The people that show up every single day in their online business are the people that make the money. The people that show up part-time, they do half-ass work, they get half-ass money, okay? So now that you know 4 different ways to get started with Amazon as an affiliate marketer, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start to download your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.